Introducing the Genius Tools Combination Wrench Series, a line of high-quality wrenches designed to turn fasteners in a variety of sizes and angles. Made from chrome vanadium steel, combination wrenches are offered in matte, stainless steel, or high-polished finish. Forged and heat-treated with an anti-corrosion coating, Genius Tool Combination wrenches are guaranteed to last in a high-use, professional environment. Each combination wrench offers a 12-point box end for optimal positioning and an open end for increased efficiency. Genius Tools offers an assortment of combination wrenches in a variety of lengths, including stubby, normal, and extra long, as well as compatibility with metric and SAE sizes. Our flex head and ratcheting wrenches offer additional flexibility and make it easy to find the right tool for the job. Clear and permanent size markers are stamped on the handle, allowing for easy identification and organization. Designed to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools stands behind our quality with a limited lifetime warranty designed to protect you from any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.